Good evening everyone. My name is Abhiraj Nag and I am a student of IHM Kolkata and I am completing my BSc course in Hotel and Hospitality Administration. So I am also a student of EFA and today I am here for the public speaking workshop. So my today's topic is, do you think should all men cook? I believe yes, should all men must know cooking. Cooking is a basic life skill just like reading, studying. And in today's world, many people move away from their families for work or study. So if they know cooking, they can make their own food. And also, for example, many students who move away from the family learn how to cook so that they can eat healthy food instead of the fast food or junk foods. Secondly, I believe that cooking promotes independence and responsibility. So if a person knows how to cook, he can make food for himself. And also, imagine a situation where my maid is ill and also my mother or a homemaker is also ill. So if the man knows how to cook, he can make food for the family, and this improves the care and respect among the family. And also, another important reason is gender equality. In the past, people used to believe that only cooking is done by it's a woman's job. So I believe that it's no more a woman's job. It is can be done by both genders. And also, the top chefs in the world, the male chefs, have proved that cooking is not limited to any gender. The top chefs like the Ramsey and Sanjeev Kapoor have shown that it is a skill and an art and not dependent on any gender. And also, cooking can be fun and enjoyable at the same time. You can experiment with new flavors, try out new recipes, and play with new flavors and tastes. And also, making food for the family will increase the bond and respect among the family. And I want to conclude that cooking is to be done by everyone, irrespective of any gender, and it's a must-know skill by everyone. And I also believe that cooking promotes and makes a man more responsible, supportive, and independent. So I believe that all men must know cooking. Thank you.